So after 19 is 179 for 5. They've done well, the Bulldozers. They didn't get off to a good start, but they came back and have done quite well. It's Rajiv who batted quite well. Then it was Dhruv who came in and played a brisk knock. And now it is Karthik, 34 of only 22 deliveries. Started with 3 boundaries and 1 massive 6.
This is a massive score to chase. 179 and still 1 more over left. A lot of thinking, a lot of planning going on out there in the middle for Mumbai Heroes. Varun Batola, yes, has got the ball in his hand to bowl the last over. Sunil Shetty in action, Ritesh Deshmukh out there. Raja Verwani, the wicket keeper, and Varun Batola, the bowler. A lot of thinking, a lot of field adjustments. That's how important this over is. Whatever happens in this over, 179 and still 1 more over, it's a huge score to chase, especially in the pressure situations such as this.
Mumbai Heroes dugout, Janilia D'Souza, along with some of her friends, all of them are here to support their side. Hasn't looked very good today for the Heroes. They did manage to strike early, but then it was the skill of Rajiv and Dhruv that stitched together some valuable runs for Bulldozers that has allowed the Bulldozers to come back in such a strong manner in this game. And they've not been able to restrict or to curtail the scoring rate of the Bulldozers to a large extent. Varun Batola now hits it well, hits it quite straight, and he finds the fence. Yes, he does. Such a meaty blow from Karthik.
First delivery of the last over goes for a boundary. Not what Mumbai Heroes would have expected it to, but he hit it hard. Right kind of place, beg your pardon, pace provided by Varun Batola, and Karthik is set enough to put it away.
Immediately the call was for 2, and they have a good runner who's doing the job for the captain Sudeep, and they managed to get 2. Excellent running between the wickets by these 2 players. It was Karthik who wanted to go for the second one, and he finishes it quite easily. Hits it straight. Oh, an excellent effort. But he drops it. And eventually Karthik gets another double here for his side. Very good effort by Tushar, the substitute fielder, at long off.
That was a good effort. Without a doubt, it was struck fiercely hard. And it was travelling. And there you go. A terrific effort at long off. And that's commitment for you. But more importantly, he saved 2 runs for his side. Tries to throw his bat again at that one. Well bowled by Varun Batola. 2 more deliveries to go. 187 on the board. Come on, Sabah. What's your score?
I'll add another 5 to this. So let's make it about 192, 193, 194 to chase. That will be such a difficult task for Heroes. Bowls it very well. Only get a single. Excellent delivery, this one from Batola. Into the block hole. Nothing much Karthik can do.
It's an excellent delivery. Especially in the last over, you need to bowl those kind of deliveries. Low full tosses or Yorker will do. So the last ball coming up of the 20th over.
It's the last delivery. They get 2. So after 20, it's 190 for 5 with the Bulldozers. This is a huge score. Batting first. They have done very well. They lost the wicket of Bhaskar, one of the main scorers in this tournament, with the first delivery in this game. But after that, it's been Bulldozers all the way. Rajiv batted quite well. Good support he received from the other end. So Sudeep, the captain, he should be a happy man. He won the toss and immediately elected to bat first. More